what we're gonna do today is try to make a very basic game. We're gonna do it all in C++. Is it gonna be fun? We're just gonna live stream the journey, you know? I don't know how you found me because I accidentally had it on unlisted, but I appreciate you being here. I'm already messing this stream thing up. Let's just call this my first game. We're gonna make a class. So we're using a pawn class because if you use a character class, it builds a bunch of stuff for you. But in this case, since we're trying to learn everything, we're gonna go with a pawn class and do everything from scratch. Project now includes sources. So we need to build this from Visual Studio. Build started, creating makefile. Okay, yeah, this isn't gonna work. Live coding, what is live coding? Okay, so I just need to close this and then reopen it, I'm pretty sure. Let's try it now. So this is trying to build again. Hopefully that works. Okay, it worked now. So for some reason, we can't build this while the Unreal Engine editor is open. All right, let's start building a player. All right, so we have a static mesh, which is gonna be the player. Next, use spring arm, which should be the arm for the camera. All right, let's go into Unreal Engine. So we need to make a new folder. We're making a blueprint from this class that we made. All the work we just did is gonna be now included in this blueprint. How do I get to that screen that I just was at? Here we go. So we have the camera, that's our mesh, spring arm. How do we do the rotation? Got it. All right, input. This is how we're gonna move the character around. Gamepad. Keyboard, we're gonna do W. All right, so this is set up. So here's where we set up the keybinds, I guess, so that it knows, you know, what button we push should do what. Let's make this camera come up a little bit. Yeah, kind of down like that. That's our view. Apparently we need to come in here, increase the force because it's 109 kilograms. So our 500 units of force isn't doing anything to this. We're gonna add a couple zeros, 50,000. Now we'll compile that. Let's try to play. Doesn't work. I mean, that works. I can jump forever. The movement's not working. Yeah, everything crashed. That wasn't good. Let's just try this again, I guess. Okay, so that didn't control. Oh, whoa. Holy stop! All right. I mean, I could jump. Do I have to redo all of that? Let's get this to work the right way. Let's try this again. I want to stop that. I tap this. Okay. So we can jump infinitely, which apparently gravity is at 0.1 of Earth. If I move to this circle, we clearly need to set things up a little bit differently. So all we had to do apparently was turn that off. Okay. Is this not a circle? Oh, this is a weird oval. I mean, that's not bad. It's kind of cool. Oh, I know why. I was messing with the attachment of the arm, and I must have not put it back into the center of the ball. Just leave that at 1, I guess. Let's try this. Oh my god. There we go. I know this game looks very simple, and this isn't the actual game I plan on making. I'm just doing this to figure out Unreal Engine. All right, so here we're gonna make sure we can't jump to the moon. So if the jump count is equal to the max jump count, just stop, leave the function, no more jumping. I'm guessing we can just check the vector to see if the ground's below us. So if we hit something below us, set that to 0. Let's do it. Oh, I know what's going on. 500, and we'll do 100. What? Let's just follow what this thing says. It succeeded. Oh man, that was stressful. What happened here? So map and modes. Let's just do a basic, nice little, you know, there. Unable to delete hot reload file. That worked. So right now we're trying to figure out why we can't jump after we jump once. So why that jump counter's not being reset. Well, apparently when this happens, I just need to delete the entire player class that I made and restart it. Not really an issue with something we did, it's just an issue with Unreal Engine and C++. I have no idea why this won't work. It seems like this should be perfectly fine. Yes! No, wait. Nah, no, I knew that was too good to be true. Why won't this just work? Holy shit. Oh my god. We just changed the parent class from ball player to a random actor and then back, and that worked.